Here is what we made together. Creators turned blank screens into 62,084,591 products and published 2,179,936 new designs that didn't exist a year ago. Fresh AI tools helped turn concepts into products and products into businesses in minutes, not hours. Those ideas reached customers in 173 countries, made by a network of over 140 production partners, with 89% produced locally, so they arrived fast and traveled light. More creators meant more products worth making. More products meant more work for local makers. More local production meant faster deliveries and happier customers. And as more print producers used Gelato Connect, the whole system got smoother and smarter for the next job and the next idea behind it. One network that proves what's possible when the right people connect. Thank you for building this with us. Now let's see what we create together in 2026.